My name is Soliart, and during this amazing course, you will learn the most important tools to select and change any colors in Photoshop with new and amazing step-by-step guide method. In Project 1, you will learn how to pop out colors in your photos. In Project 2, you will learn how to color match any products with any colors. Project 3, how to change eye colors. Project 4, how to whiten teeth color. Project 5, you will learn how to change car colors. Project 6, you will learn how to change season in Photoshop from spring to fall to winter. In Project 7, you will learn how to change any background color. Project 8, you will learn how to change any dress color for your online shop. In Project 9, you will learn how to change hair color. And in Project 10, you will learn how to change shoe color with texture. By the end of this course, you will be able to use Photoshop to select and change any colors for any products, artworks, and personal photos, and to pop out colors from any image with ease. You will feel totally in control to do any projects. So let's get started today on your Photoshop journey.